Alrighty, guys, I am so freaking pissed. Y'all see this right here? It's a D clutch. Not out of this transmission, but out of a similar transmission. 8HP to ZF version, rear wheel drive transmission. Guys, that's not an overhaul kit. We can't technically overhaul this transmission. However, there are a few repairs we are now able to make. One such repair is this D-clutch assembly, okay, which just happens to be in the rear of the transmission. So the transmission have to be disassembled, all the guts pulled out. I did a video on it. You can catch some of it right here. All the guts pulled out, and I had to set it down in the thing, pull out this, that, and the third to gain access to this. Okay, now I just took these clutches out just to see if I can see anything that's particularly happened. Was the clutch packs burn up, or what's the pit? I don't have the piston too, so I can't get this piston out of here, but I'm curious as to why are we replacing it. Is it design wrong, design bad, or a flaw? I don't know, but there are 3 codes that will set in the event this is giving you problem. And guess what? I had all 3 codes. Now, forget all of that. Here's the part I'm upset with. I got to put all this back together. This job, guys, the job I was doing was on a Jeep Gladiator. I don't know if y'all familiar with the Gladiator, but it's similar to a Jeep Wrangler. Okay, technically just as hard. The drivetrain is all the same. The body's just different. But it is 6 hours. Oh my goodness, have you ever pulled a transmission out of a Jeep? You know, especially the newer ones, that the starter has to come out. Now, I know starter sounds simple, right? No, guys, you gotta remove the freaking motor mount. Oh my goodness, it's so much stuff you have to remove just to get the starter out of the way, just so you can get the torque converter bolts out that's behind the starter. So that alone is an hour, in my opinion. I don't give a damn how fast you are. I don't care how your tool's set up. It just takes some time to get mentally prepared to do this crap. All right. Not only that, after that, you got to fight with this, that, and the third. Go get a jack. Fight with the upper bell housing bolts that they got 2 condoms on that makes no freaking sense. This is the industry I chose, but damn, I see why mechanics are getting out of this. This whole job paid me 6.4 freaking hours. It's under warranty. Okay, JG, stop crying. Now, like I said, I got this out just to take a look and see that the clutch packs burn up. The fluid didn't have a lot of debris in it. It's just something that's going on inside of here that I'm not aware of. Now, I did take a course on this, rebuilding course. Yeah, they didn't see that problem then. And what's crazy, it's only on certain year models and certain vehicles. All right, if you see that code, this is what they recommend you do. Now, back in the day, in the past, we simply had to replace the transmission. But yeah, they're slowly coming out repairs. If they can just now muster up enough guts, courage to pay you properly, this is easily a 9-hour job. Forget the fact that it took me 2 days. Well, you know, I was hopping on and off of it because I knew it was a warranty and I knew it's not going to pay. Yeah, I had to squeeze some gravy in. Okay, forget that. I got these clutches out, guys. Like I say, I'm familiar with the typical disc, clutch, plate, disc, clutch. But this one was on first. Anybody want to take a stab as to why? When I disassemble a clutch pack, I do like this: up, flip, and down. So I can, when assembling, I go reverse. Yeah, so this one was last. And I thought this was a disc that just happened to be burnt up. No, this is not a disc because it don't have the same splines as these discs. So I'm guessing this some type of shim maybe. Well, anyway, it go on first. Okay, like that. Yeah, and then come your, your steel, and then y'all know the drill. Okay, but again, guys, I am so freaking. I see why mechanics are. I don't know. Now, again, this repair was warranty. Had this been CP, I'm guessing a regular shop would have simply recommended that they. In other words, when these go out of warranty, if you had this problem, you could likely get new transmissions. Yeah, so they might as well stock some transmissions up right now because nobody gonna go in and try to make this little repair. And just who knows what Chilton or all those other manuals gonna recommend you get paid. Because if they go off anything as far as what the warranty company says it should be, yeah, Tech's gonna opt to just simply replace it. I need both my hands to put this spring on, and besides, I got to turn this back in. So I got my box sitting right here. Like I say, it's warranty, but 6.4 freaking hours. I only got about 10 more years to do this, and then I'm out. All right, I'm gonna do something else. Yeah, this. I don't think it would hurt as bad if I had a helper, a R&R helper. Okay, that my other helper, he got so good they took him away, and he on his own now. So I can't keep him down. All right, that's the whole point of learning. You get in, learn it. Now you take your baby steps. Now you out there. He's a commissioned mechanic now. I'm so proud of him. He's doing real damn good. All right, I can take credit for that. Yes, he had a decent trainer. All right, let me put this snap ring back on. Like I said, I need both of my hands. Box this up and reevaluate my life choices. This shit is crazy. 6 point. Anybody know what a freaking gladiator look like? I gotta go, guys. This is depressing.